Good day everyone. So now I am going to discuss about the major types of renewable energy. So there are five major types of renewable energy, which is the biomass energy, solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, and hydroelectric energy. So first, let's discuss about the biomass energy. So when we say biomass energy, it is a renewable energy source derived from organic matter like plants, animals, used to generate heat, electricity, and biofuels. It can be burned directly for heat or converted into liquid and gaseous fuels. So, ang kaning biomass energy, it is from the organic matter like plants, animals. Then, useful ni siya sa atoa to generate electricity and other forms of power. So, biomass energy kay nag-source di siya energy from the sun through photosynthesis. Then next let's discuss about the biomass conversion. So, biomass fulfilled almost of all humankind's energy needs prior to the Industrial Revolution. All biomass is traceable back to green plants that convert sunlight into plant material through photosynthesis. As recently as 1850 to 91% of total US energy consumption was biomass in the forms of wood. So, ang kaniyang biomass conversion kay process ni siya of transforming organic matters like atong plants and animals into usable energy forms or valuable products. Then, it is also crucial part of renewable energy production. It offers a sustainable alternation to fossil fuels, and biomass conversion can help us reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate climate change. So dako jud ni siya tabang sa tuwa ang kaning biomass conversion so that kita sa atong mga resources kay ato siya ma-transform into a sustainable. Then, there are four major types of biomass. First, the fuel wood, municipal and industrial waste. Third, agricultural crop residues. Then last, animal waste. So first, I am going to discuss about the fuel wood. So, ang fuel wood, it is more dominant in rural areas. Fuel wood remains the most prevalent biomass source, particularly in rural communities where access to modern energy sources is limited. It's primarily used for cooking and heating, playing a vital role in daily life. So, state ring ang fuel wood more dominant siya in rural areas. So, when we say rural areas, like diri sa ato there is a province rural areas man jud ni diri, so mostly kita nagamit ta aning fuel wood in order for us nga makaluto ta nana kay kita man jud diri kay limited ra gani ang ato ang energy, modern energy sources, maong nag-use ta aning fuel wood para makaluto ta and also for heating. So dako jud kay siyang tabang sa ato ang daily life. So next, environmental concerns. Deforestation resulting from unsustainable fuel wood harvesting is a significant environmental concern. The practice contribute to greenhouse gas emissions and habitat loss. Sustainable forestry practices are crucial to mitigate these issues. So bisan day kanang dako siyang tabang sa tuwa na sad siya concerns about sa environment, especially kaning deforestation. Kay ang kaning deforestation kay pagpamutol man jud nig kahoy. So kung mamutol tag kahoy, ang mga animals nga nagpuyo sa kanang mga kakahuyan nga atong gipangputlan kay mawagtangan sila og kapuy-an. Mao ni ang kaning habitat loss. So next, socioeconomic implications. So fuel wood collection often falls disproportionately on women and children, impacting their time allocation and contributing to health problems associated with indoor air pollution from efficient cooking methods. So naas ang kaning fuel wood makakausa ni siya health problems, especially sa women and children. Kay ang kaning yung women and children, mga children kay kita man jud mostly na nagstay sa balay, di ba? Kita more kanang naagay tay more time sa nga magstay sa balay, especially sa kaning woman nga maoy magluto. Then dako gyud siya kanang problema nga sa atong health kay it's because special ko most kanang if ever kanang ang inyong abuhan baron kay indoor. So ang kanang air pollution nga makakuan aning fuel wood kay maka-cause siya og health problems like mga sakit bisag unsa nga sakit-sakit dira baron like that. So now let's proceed to municipal and industrial waste. Waste to energy conversion. Municipal solid waste or MSW and industrial byproducts offer a potential for waste to energy conversion. Technologies like incineration with energy recovery and anaerobic digestion can generate electricity and biogas. Challenges in waste management. Efficient waste collection and sorting systems are crucial for successful waste to energy projects. Lack of infrastructure and proper waste management practices in many areas poses a significant hurdle. So challenges in waste management require a consistent and reliable supply of waste materials. Efficient collection and sorting systems ensure that waste is properly segregated. In many areas, inadequate waste management infrastructure like lack of proper waste sorting facilities or collection systems can hinder the success of waste to energy projects. So, let's proceed to environmental considerations. Incineration, while generating energy, can also produce air pollutants if not properly managed. Careful consideration of environmental impacts is essential. So, when we use energy or when we generate energy, makakos man gud siya or makaproduce siya air pollutants. So dapat nato i-consider ang impact sa ni towards sa atong environment kay para wala tay kanang problem gani nga ma-come up. Let's proceed to agricultural crop residues. Abundant resource. Agricultural activities produce substantial quantities of crop residues. Example, rice, husks, straw, sugarcane bagasse, which represent a readily available biomass resource. So, agricultural crop residues refers to the part of crops that are left behind after harvesting, such as stalks, leaves, and roots. So, ang kani sila kay kanang it can be a valuable resources kay mo provide man ni sila nutrients and organic matter to the soil nga pwede sa di siya nato ilawg sa kanang mga animals and pwede sa nato siya magamit as bioenergy production. Bioenergy applications. These residues can be used directly as fuel or processed into biofuels. Example, bioethanol and biogas through various methods. So bioenergy applications, it involves using organic materials like agricultural crop residues to produce energy, including biogas and biofuels. So when we say biogas, it also involves the anaerobic digestion of organic matter such as agricultural crop residues, food waste, or animal manure to produce a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. Then biofuels, it is a process where it can be useful to power vehicles, heat buildings, or generate electricity. Seasonal availability. The availability of these residues is often seasonal, requiring efficient storage and transportation solutions for consistent energy production. So seasonal availability, it is a fluctuation in supply or certain products or resources due to changes in seasons. So seasonal availability depende ra jud na siya sa kanang seasons gani nga kanus-an na siya mo occur nga products or resources. So naay possibility nga in that certain day or in that certain time kay dili siya available inana kay because tungod sa changes sa season. So lastly, we have animal waste. So animal waste, also known as manure, is a waste produced by animals such as livestock or poultry. It can be valuable resource providing nutrients for crops and soil health. But in using manure, we should manage it properly because it can cause environmental and health risk. So, in environmental risk, it includes water pollution and air pollution. Then, let's proceed to the nutrients recycling. The digestate the remaining material after biogas production is rich in nutrients and can be used as organic fertilizer, improving soil fertility and reducing reliance on chemical fertilizers. So like what I said, ang manure, daho kay siya tabang sa mga tanom para mutubo gani siya like kanang mutubo siya nga healthy, like that. Then next is manure management. Proper handling and management of animal waste are crucial to prevent environmental pollution and ensure efficient biogas production. So importante jud kaayo no nga kabaluta sa proper handling and management of animal waste kay para ma-prevent gani nato ang health problems. Then ma-manage nato siya by land application, composting, anaerobic digestion or katong biogas production, and storage and handling practices.